Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th subject looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 14. In the previous video we have completed up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. See the question number 1. How does Raju's father use the pickaxe? Answer is Raju's father digs the ground with his pickaxe to make the soil loose and soft. See the question number 2. From which month does sowing for a good crop of onions start? Answer is sowing for a good crop of onions start in October. Question number 3. What do the terms sowing and harvesting mean? Answer is sowing is the process in which seeds are dropped in each row at a specific distance and immediately covered with a soil. Harvesting is the process of cutting the ripe crop and collecting it in a proper manner. See the question number 4. What are weeds? Answer is any plants as well as grass which are not sown and are unnecessary but still grow along with a sown crop are known as weeds. See the question number 5. When can one say that the onion crop is ready for harvest? Answer is an onion plant grows up to a person's knees. Once they have attained their full height, the leaves start becoming dry and yellow. When this happens, one can say that the onion crop is ready for a harvest. See the question number 6. What is the loss if an onion crop is not harvested in time? Answer is if an onion crop is not harvested in time, it starts rotting under the ground. This wastes all the farmer's efforts. See the question number 7. In what are the harvested onions packed for taking them to the big market? Answer is the harvested onions are packed in a gunny bags or sack for taking them to the big market in a trucks. See the question number 8. What is a fertilizer? Answer is the substance that is added to soil to increase its fertility and make the crop better is known as a fertilizer. See the question number 9. What does changing cultivation mean? Answer is instead of cultivating the same crop in the field every year, different crops are cultivated. This process is known as changing cultivation. See the question number 10. What care should be taken by the one who cuts off dry onion leaves? Answer is an ilic. Example, a sheath is used to cut off dry onion leaves. This is an extremely sharp implemented. Now see the next page. So, the one who uses it should be careful not to cut his or her finger. Now, see the main 7. Answer the following question. See the question number 1. What other ways could be used to plow the fields instead of using animals? Discuss. Answer is tractors are used instead of animals to plow the fields. A farmer can attach various tools like a plow, a leveling board, a sowing drill, a rake, etc. to plow his field, and for other types of jobs, poor farmers plow their fields themselves with a pickaxe. Now see the question number 2. Raju helps his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? In which work do you help? Answers is yes. Just like Raju does, I too help the elders in my family in their work. For example, I help my mother to keep the house clean, to decorate the house, to bring things needed in routine from the shop, and I also help by taking my grandparents to the temple. See the question number 3. In which chores did Raju help his father? Answer is Raju helps his father in the following ways. Number 1. To loosen and soften the soil in the field. Number 2. To weed out unnecessary plants from the field. Point number 3. To harvest the onion crop. And point 4. To fill the onions in a sack. Now see the question number 4. How does a farmer sow onion seeds? Answer is first of all, a farmer plows his field and makes rows in it with a plow or some other implement. At the same time, he drops onion seeds at a specific distance in each row. Immediately after this, the ground is leveled once again so that the seeds are covered with the soil. This is how onion seeds are sown. Now see the next page. Hort's question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. Once the field is plowed, how are seeds sown in each row? See the option. A. By sowing handful of them in small heaps. Point B. By heaping them all together in one place. Point C. By sowing enough seeds at a specific distance. Point D. By sprinkling them freely before plowing. Answer is point C, by sowing enough seeds at a specific distance. See the number 2. What is done once the crop has ripened? A. It is harvested. B. It is cut into small pieces. C. It is cut. And D. It is filled in sack. Answer is option A. It is harvested. Now see the number 3. Which implement is used to cut off dry onion leaves? A. A hoe. B. A scythe. C. An axe. And D. A knife. Answer is option B. A scythe. Here your chapter is completed. So we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.